All right, now we're going to go ahead and talk about how to transfer. So that means send and receive tokens and coins in the StrikeX wallet, and also how to buy and how to sell. We're going to go all the way over to the left, that button that looks like a credit card. And this is our main buy and sell and transfer page. You can do the same thing on the main page, but easiest and the best ways to do it on the buy and sell and transfer page. So let's just go ahead and pretend that we're going to buy something. So let's say we want to buy a little bit of Solana. I don't have any Solana, so we're going to click buy. So I'm just going to put in $50. So let's just say I want to buy $50 of Solana. That would give me 1.4 Solana coins. You can see the payment gateway is Mercurio, and it shows all the information, the amount per Solana, etc., and the fee. I'm going to click confirm purchase, and you can go ahead and go through the process. You would put in your email address, you would click I agree, and then you would click continue, and it'll show you just a little bit of information, fees and everything like that. It's going to send you an email code then, and then you paste that in on the next page. Very similar to other wallets and the same process and everything. Now we can go back here, and you can see that the only payment gateway right now is Mercurio, but that will change going forward and as updates come out for the StrikeX wallet. So that's how you actually buy different coins and tokens. Now let's say that we want to sell. Let's say we want to sell some BNB. So we can click sell, and let's just, because we want to turn crypto back into fiat, so let's just do 0.07 BNB. That is going to equal $15 right here. We can click continue, we can click confirm. You can see the fee is higher, but you are doing off ramp, which is a bigger process. So we're just going to go ahead and click confirm purchase, and then it's going to take me through the same steps. And again, other payment providers will be available and everything, gateway providers, but right now Mercurio is the option. It's the exact same thing as buying. You'll go and put your email address in there, it'll send you a code, you go to the next page, you click continue, and you go through the process and the steps that are on there. So we're not going to do that. So let's go over to the transfer tab. Okay, so let's say that you want to send some StrikeX. Let's just say I want to send a little bit of StrikeX. Now I can say that I want to send, let's just say I want to send 10 StrikeX coins. Big numbers here. I go next, and I can either hold down a wallet address if I wanted to, and that I could send to that wallet, or if I already have a few people in my address book, which I'll show you in a second, you can click address book, and you can see here that I have added Lewis to my address book. I can click his name right here, and that'll input the address, and I could go ahead and click next. Or if I wanted to, I could also click the scan button, and then my camera would come up. I would click while using the app. Yes, I'm not going to do that right now. So we would just click next, and it will say, do you want to confirm sending to this wallet? I click send. It wants me to confirm with either your Face ID, your fingerprint, or putting in your passcode. And then it gives you this send complete. 10 StrikeX has successfully been sent, and it gave me a pop-up right there saying withdraw request of 10 StrikeX to yada yada wallet. And perfect. I can click done, and that is how you go ahead and actually send StrikeX or whatever coin you are wanting to send to different wallets. Just make sure whatever the actual blockchain is that you're sending it to, you're using the correct one. You do not want to go ahead and send Bitcoin to the Binance Smart Chain, because they are not the same, they're not compatible, and that will result in losses of cryptocurrency. So make sure whatever you're sending it to, if you want to send Bitcoin, that whatever wallet you're sending that to is a Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, so that is that. Let's just say we want to receive. So we can click the receive button, and we can click select asset. Let's just say that I want to receive some Solana. So that's going to come up with receiving Sol. It'll give you your address. I can click copy that, and whoever is sending me Sol, or if I want to send it from a different wallet, I would just input this address that is given to me. Again, it will change. You can see that this one ends in KY for Solana, and go over to Bitcoin. It ends in JX. So different wallets, just make sure you're sending it to the correct chain. And that is how you buy and sell or transfer crypto assets using the StrikeX wallet.